Weather.
Crystal clear night in downtown Birmingham, and there will be some clouds coming in by tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, things looking good. In the upper 50s over the next few hours, dropping to about 54 tomorrow morning. And then a mostly sunny sky, the high close to 82 on Tuesday afternoon. No rain expected, even though some clouds are already beginning to show up out to our west over parts of Louisiana and Texas. These are very high, thin clouds, call them cirrus clouds, about 15,000 feet above our heads. Those will drift over in the morning, may make for a colorful sunrise, but they're not going to bring any sort of significant weather change yet. But they do signal some change in the upper air winds, and there's a lot going on around Mexico at this point that's going to have something to say about the weather around here. There are two tropical systems, Lydia, which will be a Category 2 hurricane by tomorrow afternoon, headed into Mexico, and then the remnants of Max, which has just come inland over the last few hours, plus a disturbance in the southwestern Gulf around the Bay of Campeche. The energy from all three of these just ends up combining out here over the western Gulf of Mexico and spinning up a unique new area of low pressure. Probably not becoming a named storm, but it may very well have some tropical storm-like characteristics for the Alabama and Florida Gulf Coast on Wednesday. Very rough surf, strong rip currents, heavy rainfall, and wind gusts that could be greater than 40 miles per hour in places like Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Destin, Fort Walton, and Panama City. And look at the northern fringe of that rain through Wednesday evening and Wednesday night, early Thursday. Depending on just how far north it gets, Birmingham could get some decent rain out of it. And by that, I still mean probably a fraction of an inch here. The best chance of at least an inch of rain is going to come farther south. Places like Montgomery, Eclectic, over toward Prattville, Selma, and then down into southern Marengo County. North of Birmingham, we're probably talking less than 1/10 of an inch of rain over northwest Alabama through Friday. About a ½ inch from Birmingham south down toward Clanton, and then around 1 inch of rain, plus down toward Montgomery and Auburn. So your best chance of a shower is going to come in on Wednesday, and some of the rain to the south of Birmingham could get fairly heavy Wednesday night, early Thursday. Then it's hit or miss Thursday, Friday. Another cold front coming in on Friday, and that should set the stage for a cool weekend in the 60s for highs by Sunday, right?
You should put down there quarter zip season. That's what it is.
Yeah.